Welcome back. This is Freelancer Tufayel Alom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn carousel post. So I will show you the easiest method for you, and I will create a post through Canva. Then I will use this post on LinkedIn as a carousel post. So let's start the video. So first of all, create your post inside Canva. Canva is a free tools. Also it has a premium version. You can use any version, no problem. So first of all, create a post inside Canva. You can see I have created a few pages inside Canva. So you can create 5 pages or 10 pages. It will totally depend on you. You can see I created the 10 pages, so it will totally depend on you. And then after creating your post, then you will create the share option. Okay, then you will see the download option. Okay, then you can see PNG, then click the PDF standard option. Okay, then you should click the download option. Okay, just wait a few seconds and you will see the download completed. Now download is completed. Now I will check it. Okay, you can see this is the PDF version. So I will upload it on LinkedIn. So I will go the LinkedIn, then you will find this type of option, then click this icon, then click this box, blank box. Okay, so then click this plus icon, then you will see add a document. Okay, so click here and you can see choose file, then click the choose file, then you can select your PDF file. Okay, so this is my PDF file and I will open it. Okay, just wait a few seconds and you will see the preview option. So it's loading. Now you can see the PDF option, the preview option. You can see it's looking professional. Okay, so you can use a title here, like I will put here the same title: how Pinterest ads can drive traffic to your website. Okay, the same title, then click done option. Now you can use any title here again. Also you can use any descriptions, and also you can use hashtags. So you should use hashtags. It will be related, post related hashtags, and you can use the powerful hashtags to that will help you to reach your post with targeted audience. Okay, so I hope you understand about the hashtag option. So I have a few hashtags I will use on it. Okay, so like this are my hashtags. I will copy it with the title and I will paste it here. So you can see the post is here, and I added the title. Also I added all hashtags here, and after all selection you should click on the post icon. But if you want to do it later, you can create a schedule post. You can see the post here, but I will make it right now. So click the post icon. Okay, just wait. Well, now you can see the post is here. Okay, so if you click the more icon, you will see hashtags and title also. Okay, so if you create this post, it will be so professional. Okay, so now let's see. Well, so it's looking so professional, and you can see how easy this process to create a carousel post on LinkedIn. So I hope you understand this system, this method, and it will also work for you. So if you want to know more about any marketing consultation, or if you want to know any ideas from me, or if you want to get any service from my side, you can check out my Upwork profile. Also, you can send me any message, and also provide um, I also provide 15 minutes free marketing consultation.